In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header and footer from a specific page on Shopify. This can be quite useful if you're looking to create a landing page or a unique space that stands apart from the layout of the rest of your site. So, without any delay, let's dive into the tutorial. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all the magic begins, and you'll be managing the bulk of your site settings here. Head over to your online store section by selecting My Store from the dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account to access these features. Once you're in, look for the Themes section on the left sidebar. This is where you can start customizing the look and feel of your online store, down to the specific pages you wish to alter. Next, click on the Customize button next to your current active theme. This will open the Theme Editor, a powerful tool that gives you a real-time view of your changes. It's always a good idea to have a plan for how you want the page to look when you're done, so sketch it out or have a clear mental image before you proceed. In the theme editor, you will see various options such as homepage, product pages, etc., which you can select to customize different parts of your website. To hide the header and footer for a specific page, you'll need to navigate to that page first. Once on your desired page, look for and click on the eye icon in the section where the header and footer are listed. This eye icon acts as a visibility toggle, allowing you to hide or show different parts of your page with a simple click. Keep in mind this change only applies to the specific page you are customizing at the time, leaving the rest of your site unaffected. Such selective customization can be essential when creating pages that serve a particular purpose, like a streamlined landing page with no distractions. After clicking and hiding both the header and the footer using the eye icon, be sure to save your changes. This is crucial because unsaved changes mean your hard work could be lost if you accidentally navigate away from the page or if there's an unexpected outage. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the header and footer from a specific page on your Shopify site. Don't forget to preview and test your changes by checking the page on various devices and browsers to ensure a seamless user experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to drop any questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.